Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's actually not anything crazy, but I am gonna go see a friend that I haven't seen in a very long time. So I'm just gonna create a little look and slay, as usual. So if you want to see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so let's jump into this quick. I don't have a lot of time, so we're gonna go into here real quick. So this is a Y16. So I am actually gonna use a couple palettes. I'm gonna use this blue right here called Super Cool, and this is in the Cara Loving the Ride palette. I actually got that from Marshalls. So I'm gonna take that blue, that dark blue shade, and I'm gonna put it right here. Just right here. And I'm gonna try to keep it like really low. Really low. Because I don't want it to go up too high. Because I want to put another shade here. Make it tight. Okay, so this is good. Now I'm gonna take this T12 and I'm gonna go into this palette from Candy Shop, and I'm gonna use this blue right here just to buff up the edges just a little bit. You can use any blues to do this. It doesn't have to be these shades or this palette, but you could also use any blue. And back in here, then just gonna intensify this a bit. Okay, so that is that. Put some glitter glue right here. And now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna go to this shade right here. But before I do that, that should be fine, maybe. Let's see. Because I don't want it to like kind of crease, so let's. And now we're gonna go back to that Candy Shop palette and take that blue. That blue is so pretty. Here. See, this is a lot bolder than I wanted to go, but I said a quick look. What happened? What happened so quick? And then I'm gonna use this blue to just like go right here, blend it out a bit. I do want this brush and then just put a little more of this here. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back and time to talk about this foundation. So today we're going back OG, right, to the M.A.C. But I used this foundation like a long time ago when I was first started getting into makeup, and I haven't used this for minutes. So we're gonna go, it's the ends, well, that's just my shade, but it's the Studio Fix Fluid Foundation with SPF 15. let us jump into it. I need a primer, so I'm gonna use my Airbrush. This is extra matte. I don't know if this is really extra matte, but I do love it. You know, when I first started doing my makeup today, well, actually before I started, I told my husband it was gonna be a quick, easy look. I think it was quick. However, this might be a little bit. So, and I'm using my Flawless brush. Oh yeah, this is a Gucci from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. Oh, I don't like the smell. It's a good match though. Good match. This is nice. Oop. Let's do a little Tarte shape tape. Right here. Here. And a little can't stop, won't stop. Put this right here. Okay, let's see a little what I'm gonna use. Maybe this. I used this yesterday and I think I put too much. Look at this. So I was out yesterday hanging out, you know, with my favorite guy, aka Hubs, and I got a 10. See, like right here, it's like darker. I was like, look at me. It's in some sun. It wasn't the plan, but I needed it. And then just a little here. That is it. I think yesterday I went a little bit crazy. And let us blend out. This is my mirror. You would think I don't have like a billion of one of those little mirrors, but I can never find them when I need them. Never. Good hair is annoying. Tap in this. What is the blush I just had? This is Gucci. But I think I want to use this. This might be a little bit dark for me, but let's see. This is from Juvia's Place. I'm just gonna put like a little bit. Just a little bit, cause see, these are like insane. Yep, that's enough. They're too much. Okay, and then I'm gonna set it with my #1 powder from Charlotte. So I go very light with that, guys. Just a little something. And now I'm going with my Mercier powder. And now I'm like really, you know, doing a little bake situation. And that is it. I don't bake for a long time because I don't want it to look too crazy. And to set the rest of my face, I think, do I have any more Charlotte left? Yep. And this is my number 2 powder from Charlotte. Just gonna go in and blend everything together. I don't want to leave it there for too long because I don't want it to be too light. I want to break this up a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with my Patrick Tarte. This is just a nude pencil. Just a nude one, nothing crazy. Let's see how this is gonna look real quick. Put Sesh right here. And this is from this palette because I'm using 2 palettes for my look today. You know, why would I go and use 1 palette, right? So, I love it. Perfect. Love how this breaks it out so it's not too crazy. I know it's a lot, but it's not too a lot. Okay, now let us line the lip. Let us line the lips. I'm gonna use Dimensional Dark Brown from Makeup Forever. Let us see how this is gonna look. This is that Rose Brown from ABH. I want to break it up a little bit. I feel like it's too vampy. It is too vampy. I prefer that, maybe. I'm gonna use this. This is from Plain Makeup by Yolondo, and it's the Mix Race palette. We're gonna go into this shade right here. Just go into the perimeter of my face. And now I'm gonna go back and move a softer brush. This is from Morphe as well, because I don't want it too crazy, right? I don't know, I might lighten up my lip a little bit. Okay, so for blush, I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade right here, but I'm gonna go real light. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Nope. That is too much. So see, this side is pretty, but I think that other side I give it too much. We're gonna use Trophy Wife. Ooh, that's too much. Okay, so perfect. So this is the look. I know it did come out a little bit bold, but That's what we have today. So yeah, what do you guys think? So yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.